Good morning, my name is Oscar with OND General Contractors. I'm a roof specialist. Today is February 16, 2024, and I'm in Hanover, Maryland. I'm about to do a repair attempt video for home site. But before I start with the repair attempt, I'm gonna do an overview of the property. This right here is the front porch. As you guys can see, this is brittle. It's really brittle. Right here, not a lot of damages because so these trees right here, but then blocking the wind. Then I'm gonna take it to the main roof where I already done a small inspection. Just one over here. You guys can see the crease, and it's pretty already sealed. Look, the crease right there. There's another one right here. The crease right there. 10, 12. Another one down there. I already marked it. Another one right here. I already marked it. Right there, you guys can see the crease. Now let me take it to the main roof. This is the front slope. Oh, I missed this one. You guys can see the crease right there. Crease over here. Crease right there. There's another crease right there. Crease right there. All this in the front slope. Look at this. Crease. And I mark, this is a missing shingle in the front. This is where I'm gonna be conducting the repair attempt. I already got a mark, and that will be the second step before I do the overview of the front and back slope. Some more wind damages right here. It's pretty windy today. Right there. Crease right there. Another one. Crease. Little missing shingle in the corner. Missing shingle right here. So I probably count about, between the missing shingles and the creases, probably about 17 in the front slope right there. Now let me take it to the back slope where I think most of the damages are. Back slope, an overview. Back slope, bike collars, H-back, satellite, crease right there, crease right there. It's pretty brittle, but cougar poles are the best. Crease. Like I say, it's easy when you do like a previous inspection and mark them. Help you a lot to identify, all the damages. Missing shingle, back slope, a lot of creases, but just one missing shingle right there. Crease. So a little overview of the back slope for the market, and back slope about, I got 18 wind damages, 18 right there. So now I got some help with me, which is really good. Help me record this really good. So basically, okay, I'm gonna explain a little bit of the process doing the repair. So the shingle we're gonna replace or repair is this one right here. It's a 3 tap, so we count probably this one, 1, 2, 3, and we break the seal of the shingle above, the roll above, and probably the one above too. These two, 1, 2, to get this out, and then put back in the new shingle and try to repair. Hopefully, like I say, the shingle is brittle. Hopefully, it doesn't break on us, and we can, we can do it right. All right, so stay with me, guys. I got my tools, flat bark, and a hammer. Actually, 1, 2, 3. This is the one we're replacing. Right there. Some of the problems that we have when we try to do a repair attempt and the shingles being so brittle is there's a lot of granule, and when we try to nail the shingle, you brace the shingle above. On top, above. You guys see the line right there? The crease. Another one right here. This one you broke completely. That one too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and tarp this. Shingle is not repairable, just to protect just to protect, this right here, this repair tent. We're gonna go ahead and tarp it, because just to be on the safe side, especially that we're expecting snow later tonight. So the repair tent fell. I don't think this roof is repairable. About 17 damages in the front, and about 18 in the back. Try to do all the repairs. It's gonna be like a domino effect, we're gonna keep breaking it. Shingle is so brittle, probably discontinue, and I don't recommend repairs on this one. Thank you.